If you have a heat press and a little creativity, then you have everything you need to bring a personalized touch to your Labor Day festivities. In this video, I'll show you how you could print on a camp chair, apron, and set of can coolers with only a heat press. Thanks to TruePrint custom transfers from Heat Press Nation, you no longer need to own an expensive printer to get custom heat transfers. At heatpressnation.com, you simply choose your transfer, upload your artwork, place your order, and then get your professionally printed transfers delivered in just a few days. I'm going to use my TrueSpec heat press to customize my camp chair, apron, and can coolers. For the camp chair and apron, I've ordered TruePrint DTF transfers. I've brought in my 11 by 15 inch fast fit platen for these pieces. The DTF transfer has been fixed in place with some heat tape to keep my hands free to hold the chair. With a quick press and peel, my chair is looking awesome. Thankfully, the apron is a lot easier to work with. I just get everything nice and centered, press, peel, and it's ready to wear. Next, I'll bring in my 16 by 20 inch fast fit platen and bump up my temperature to press my Sublimate can cooler sleeves. After some quick prep securing my sleeves onto the printed transfer, they're ready to go onto the press, and voila, the first side is done. I'll repeat these steps on the other side to get some killer party favors that also help everyone keep track of their drinks. Whether you're printing for yourself or your customers, Heat Press Nation has you covered this Labor Day with our TruePrint custom DTF and Sublimation transfers. Order yours today at heatpressnation.com.